Welcome to Tech It Simple, the world of tutorials where simplicity meets technique. You're watching Telegram Service Part 5. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get the Telegram code by SMS. For that, make sure you have all access to contacts for the Telegram app. To check it, open your device settings, scroll down, and click on Applications and Permissions. Remember, this may be different on other mobile devices. Then, click on App Manager. Scroll down to search for Telegram. Once you find the Telegram app, click on it, and you will see this interface. You can see the option that says Permissions. Click on Permissions and tap on Call Logs to see if it is allowed or not allowed. If it is allowed, come back and let's clear the cache by clicking on Storage. Here, you can see the option Clear Cache. Click on it, and your cache will be cleared. After that, come back and update your Telegram app. Once the app is updated, click on Open, and you're done. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit that bell icon to get notifications for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video. Stay connected.